Everything look good.
Paprika, all purpose, and this was the chicken, 2 eggs. So you don't use the yellow part, you only use the white part. So I mix it on my chicken just like this. So I try not to get the yellow, the yolk. Yeah. And then I mix them now. I have on my gloves, guys, because remember I season it with pepper. So I have to put on the gloves too. Everybody do this different, but this is how I do mine. So I'm gonna put it for 5 minutes, make everything 5 minutes steady. Okay, so I'm gonna throw the oil now in there.
All right, honey, they don't want no more. Oh, boy. Forget? Okay. No, what I really look for?
I have the rice and peas here. I have the coconut milk in it already. The peas, I season it already. I'm sorry I didn't show you all of that. I'm very sorry. So see, the chicken is already. Chicken is in it. Remember, clean as you go. Clean as you go.
I'm ending here with this video. And we want to thank everybody who
Make sure you're here where you're
this
cooking.
video with me
Very clean.
and help me to cook this. Help me.
I'm gonna go. Talk to them about the church, right? So what happened? He just wanted to get for that. He just wanted to get in his house.
Rice and peas, fried chicken, mac and cheese. Then a little bit of brown stew chicken right here. Then we have fish outside frying. So this is the finishing here. This mac and cheese, fried chicken, gravy,
That's the food right
rice
there.
and peas, table well set. First of all, the rice and peas, gravy, mac and cheese, first of all, chicken,
He's gonna run on that plate.
and then the fish.
Oh, most blessed Father and last season. Bless us while we're here. Give us help and strength. Lord, if you let this food be nutritious to our health. And ask you for mercy in Jesus' name. Amen.
Amen.
All right, I'm ready. I'm digging in.
So Tyreek first beginning.
I'm digging in. All right, we got a spoon for the rice.
No.
Actually,
We can pass it. Yeah, we can pass it to you.
What it needs for nothing else.
Should be
Just
good.
one spoon.
All right, here we go. Sir.
You getting some of this process?
We gotta get some music going.
So that's Tyreek plate.
There's my plate right here. I gotta get some custard.
One minute.
There you go. You play it on the TV.
You turn off the TV.
Get some little jam going.
Because then we have cranberry.
I'm glad you made I'm glad y'all made some gravy.
Mommy, how is the dinner? Good. Pops, how is the dinner?
Yes. Good.
Oh, this snapper is so fresh and nice.
Snapper girl. That's what we call her.
Take it.
What's that?
To the pig.
Oh, shoot. I was waiting for the gravy. I was invited.
So hot gravy? You wanna try this one?
Pretty good.
Uh-oh. I'm scared because I put a lot on mine, y'all. Look at my plate, y'all.
Jesus.
Stop playing with me. What a hot sauce at to finish it off?
It-
I need hot sauce. I don't care about none of that. too hot? I got a lot of it. I need to get my water bottle.
Okay, I'm gonna need that.
Fish on the fish.
How is the chicken, princess?
Nice. Good.
See how much I got on there? Man, this vegetable was so good. Oh my God.
I love festivals.
What?